guys, it's Alana here. It is the morning of leaving for vacation. It is July 6th. It's also my mom's birthday today. Yeah, so I already wished her happy birthday. But yeah, I am getting ready to go and leave on vacation. We are driving to Florida, but today we are just going to be driving to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're gonna be staying the night there. We've driven to Florida before. In the past time, we just like drove completely straight to Florida. This time we are going to be staying a night in Louisiana, and then the next morning we will be, you know, driving the rest of the way. But I'm already ready and dressed and everything. I just made myself breakfast. I made my #1 favorite smoothie bowl to make, my cacao protein bowl. I made that. I've got most of my stuff put together and packed, you know, like just the very little things. I need to finish putting things away basically, so I'm gonna be doing that. And yes, I am going to be vlogging this trip. I am going to be making as many vlogs out of this trip as I can. Not entirely sure exactly how many. We are going on this vacation for a week. I am going to be vlogging every single day. I don't know yet if that's going to be separate vlogs for each individual day. We will see, but definitely watch out for all of those videos coming very, very soon. Also, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and go follow me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar. But yeah, so let me go and finish getting ready. For some food. What'd you get?
I got a sliced brisket sandwich, banana pudding, and a spoon.
The essentials. I'm getting some like chicken salad wrap, and I'm gonna get a pineapple cup right here too. Yeah, so for those of you guys that don't know or don't live in Texas, Buc-ee's is like a gigantic gas station that basically has food, all kinds of crazy things in there, and gifts and stuff like that. Made it to the hotel. So we finally got to our room, I think. This is the bathroom. Oh, yeah, has the sliding doors.
Barn door.
Yeah, barn door. Here's the bathroom. Oh, that's a nice cute little shower. There's me. Then here's the room. I like that there's actually a stand-up mirror so you can like see everything. Yeah. So there's the 2 beds in here, just like that. And I actually really like this closet space. Ooh, and even a little mini coffee maker. Yeah. So there's the 2 beds, little desk area, a TV, and then the curtains and a little view. but they have a gym here, so of course I am going to use this to work out. And yes, my brother came with me. All creepy in the background, but yeah. I mean, there's kind of just like treadmill type of stuff here and a bike, but yeah, there's absolutely no one else in here. It's better than nothing. And I brought my workout clothes. I came prepared, so I'm gonna get a workout in. It is the second morning. Yeah, I'm already dressed and ready and everything. My brother and I just finished taking some pictures outside real quick, the pool area. But yeah, we're basically going to just kind of have some breakfast and head out, and that's about it. I packed all my stuff back up. But yeah, we're kind of just exploring a little bit in the hotel area too. But yeah, that's about it for this morning. Just getting ready to head out. This whole little area is so cute. It's like a whole little like village type thing. We did get a house type of place, but like it's so cute. Okay, cute little purple chairs out front, but oh my gosh, it is already so hot. Let's go on in. Oh, can I not get in? Hello? So you walk on in, there's the kitchen area, oh, a little seating area. Oh, there's like a little river out there, or like pond area.
Oh yeah. That's where the bedroom is up here. I know, but this is one off the guest bathroom.
Oh, this is a cute little bedroom too. Wow, so there's 3 different bedrooms here. So this is off our back little patio here. Have a little pond area, is really cute. Very humid out here, of course, because, you know, Florida's still south, so, you know, maybe we can go kayaking on it. That'd actually be pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe. We will see. So we are finally all settled in, and now we are off to dinner because we are all pretty hungry, and I'm very hungry myself. So, yeah, dinner time.
He's stuck in the middle.
I hear him.
whole slide.
Come on, Maya.
Yeah, so this whole area is just so cool. It's a whole little like village type. There's a whole bunch of like little games and stuff to play. There's a carousel here, like games you can pay to do, restaurants, all types of little things, but it's just so cute. So now we are back at the house. We had dinner. It was super, super good. I had crab cakes. They were great. And then after that, we just pretty much went grocery shopping to get some groceries for meals and food for the week because we definitely needed that. But yeah, now we're back at the house. I'm pretty sure we're all just gonna pretty much chill here. I'm gonna work on editing some videos and yeah, then pretty much call it a night from there. So I'm gonna close out my vlog right here. Be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Definitely look forward to my next vlogs coming. I am going to be vlogging every day of this vacation, which is gonna be a week long. So subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that way you get notified every time I post a new video and you'll get a notification for each of my upcoming vlogs that I have coming. And also follow me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar if you'd like to see all the pictures I have posted from this vacation and fashion related content as well, and just things about upcoming content on my channel. And if you'd like to see stuff like that, I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.